Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make thousands of dollars a month online clipping people's content specifically for Fortnite map making inside of the Fort Mafia Inner Circle. If you don't know, I just launched a brand new program called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle where you can get connected to 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map creators, network with influencers and celebrities, master UEFN and verse coding, pre-made ready to post templates and more, which is in the link in the description. But I want to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps you guys need to make more money online by clipping content inside of Fort Mafia, and also just in general, because if you guys are looking at this map here called Steal the Brain Rot, drumroll please, it has amassed a total player count of 542,000 players. Yes, this video is going to be completely raw and unedited, but I want to show you guys exactly how these games are actually becoming popular and such a substantial revenue concurrently for these Fortnite consumers and player bases. Because if we look at Farron's here, he's literally making millions of dollars a month. Farron's, if you're seeing this, shout out to you. I know I've spoken with you in DMs occasionally. I think you're a good guy. I know you're working hard. And I've seen you in December of 2023 when you made your little Joker game, the box fights and stuff. Me and Skeptic did our own version of that. It didn't really go too well, made like 30 grand, but it was a good time. And today I want to show you guys exactly how you guys can achieve the same success. So let me show you guys exactly how you guys can make yourself some more money. Like I said, guys, this video will be completely raw and unedited, you know, because I like to keep it authentic. I like to keep it raw. I'm going to close my door really quickly. Wait, no, I'm not. But yeah, so here we have this game called Steal the Brain Rot, chat. And if we look here, I did every ritual in Fortnite Steal the Brain Rot, all secret codes. So essentially, if we actually click onto this video, all this is entailing and telling us is that this content creator has secret codes inside of their game, and viewers are trying to play that, obviously, to have an advantageous effort over the other players, so they look more special and cool. Which is fascinating. It's fascinating that you can make millions of dollars making maps. And that is why I dropped the Inner Circle program, where you have celebrity endorsements, direct access to 7-figure map creators. Guys, I ain't gonna cap. That almost sounded like I said something terrible there. It says figures right there, chat. Ready to post map templates. These are brand new and custom. I know there was a content creator before. His name is Minerva, I think. I don't know how he got the maps, guys. But shout out to him. Keep killing it, buddy. Now we have exclusive training, which will have in-depth masterclasses on verse code, marketing promotion, discovery in the algorithm. I know my hair's a little messed up, chat. Don't let that distract you from the value inside of this program. Because there's people joining, right? There's only a limit of 50 people a month for new people. And that is why I want to have a successful community, you know, because I don't want just random people coming in. Like, it's going to be a waste of your money if you're not taking the full accountability and responsibility that's required inside of this program. There's over 375 people that are all making a 6-figure income inside of this space at a 2-yearly basis, okay? Because obviously when you get started, it's going to take you a while to get familiar inside of the business of making maps. I think we can all agree with that, you know? And honestly, I love you guys, man, because I get to do whatever the fuck I want, you know? Like, I'm making good income. I'm doing collaborations with the biggest people in the world, right? And they're not just nerdy Fortnite creators. They're literally people that are celebrities and worldwide icons, and I get to make an income building games with these people. We build a relationship, we build a connection, and you guys have complete access to these people, and it's fascinating. I love it, you know. These new videos, chat, they're just going to be me talking to the camera because I'm here for you guys, man. I really am. I love you guys. We're really achieving our dreams together, and it's fascinating stuff, you know. I mean, at the end of the day, chat, we're all a business, guys. You guys are entrepreneurs making these games. And for all of you guys that are still listening to this, I don't need to be over obsessive and fucking hyper analyze the analytics of my own maps and my own 2 cents. Because I know a lot of you guys ask, where are your own projects? And those are the collaborations, you know, like the one with me and Jinxie did, the one that I have up and coming with the biggest star in the entire world. You guys will all see it on this channel. We're filming some content together. The map will drop next week. Hopefully, if everything goes all plan, God's plan. Like, I just wish more people were open and honest, because it just sucks that you have to, like, clickbait. Like, you guys wouldn't even be in this business if I wasn't talking about the revenue with the maps being made. Which sucks, because I don't really care about making my own games. I care about the business and providing help and value for you guys in exchange for your, obviously, money. I want you guys to be exchanging your money to save yourselves time, to learn verse coding, to learn map making. And nobody's the most perfect person in the world, right? I know I'm the only person in the world doing this, and I forever will be, because I have a vision. You know, I have a $1 billion company, Versified, that automates the process of thumbnails, SEO, visual effects, environment, design, coding. That is in the works right now. All of it's coming, guys, and you guys can literally do whatever you want, bro. I just wish people realize that, man. Like, you got, like, guys, you can literally clip my content and make thousands of dollars a month. I have all of the top speed clippers doing it. Just go look on Instagram, search up Davy. There's millions of people making thousands of dollars a month inside of the space. It's fascinating shit. I'm not even gonna cap, you know? And I love you guys a lot. I swear to God I do. So, without further ado, okay, so this is what I wanted to show you real quick. I wanted to hop onto this map right here called Mechanics Training V5. I want to show you how this game is being heavily marketed and favored towards the algorithm. Because if we look here, there's only 8,000 people on board with it, right? But we have $900,000 in just a year for revenue, right? And that's like super, like that's crazy, right? And obviously you get connected, not with Raider, but you do get connected with all of the most successful map makers inside of the space. All of these guys have made $50,000 to $100,000 with making maps. And you get a direct access to the network, you know? Because obviously you guys always ask me, like, how are you so connected? Also, guys, these thumbnails on these maps here, these don't have these statistics, okay? I have to preface this because I had to use these thumbnails because most of the most popular maps inside of Fortnite GG, they have the terrible thumbnails. And it sucks, guys. I'm being open and honest here. This map, none of these maps made this much revenue. But I had to say that. I had to fake it because it's not attractive to you guys. I could show you all of the client results, and I do, right? Like, yes, I've made millions of dollars for everyone because when I inspire you to get started and you make money, I take credit for that. I do because it's a purpose for me to inspire people and create change. If I inspire you to get started making maps and you make $1 million, I literally made you $1 million. Yes, you took the course of actions in your own life, but I have fulfilled those and inspired you to get started. We're all in this together, man. There's no point throwing shade or... I know there's a lot of weirdos on Twitter that are like, hey, bro, fuck this guy. He's reselling. He's doing this. And I did do that. I did, but I stopped. I'm no longer that person. Everything that I do is now authentic and vulnerable. I like to keep it transparent and raw and open. There's been some months, chat, like last year, where I was really struggling with income. And now I'm making it a full-time career. I'm doing it, right? I'm talking, bro, it's really fascinating, man. And I love all of you guys, swear to God. You know, like, we're literally changing the world together. Whether you hate me, whether you like me, I don't really care what your opinion is, but I love you guys, seriously. You know? I mean, we're all just living life and chilling, chat. But I love you guys, man. I don't know why I said chat, but I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna see you guys soon, okay? New videos dropping shortly. And I love you guys, man. Click the link in the description to join Fort Mafia down below in the description. Get clipping. Start making thousands of dollars a month. Join the Inner Circle. I love you guys, man. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses, sponsorships. You can reach out down below. A lot of collabs coming soon. See you guys soon. Peace. Yo, chat, if you're still seeing this, this is me editing the video, and you're a real one, bro. I'm stretching the video to 8 minutes. It's at 7:49 right now. I love you guys, man. I need to put mid-roll ads on this video. YouTube paychecks are hitting, and I love you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.